Confluence, developed by Atlassian, is a leading collaboration and project management platform designed to streamline teamwork and enhance productivity. It's widely adopted across industries to centralize documentation, organize project workflows, and facilitate real time collaboration among teams. As businesses move toward hybrid and remote work models, tools like Confluence have become indispensable for maintaining project transparency and fostering collaboration. Whether you're managing small tasks or complex projects, Confluence provides an adaptable framework that allows teams to plan, track, and deliver work efficiently. This tutorial introduces beginners to Confluence's core features, how to navigate its interface, and tips for leveraging its tools to manage projects effectively in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the collaborative workspaces. Confluence enables teams to create shared workspaces for projects where members can collaborate on documents, track progress, and update tasks in real time. This enhances transparency and minimizes miscommunication by centralizing project information in a single location. Another key feature is the dynamic page creation and editing. So it offers customizable templates for creating meeting notes, project plans, and team retrospectives. Pages are easily editable and allow for multimedia embedding. This saves time to ready to use templates and ensures all project documentation is structured and accessible. Another key feature is the powerful search functionality. Advanced search and filtering options make it easy to locate pages, documents, and updates across your workspace. This boosts productivity by eliminating the time wasted in searching for information. Another key feature is the integration with Atlassian Suite. So it seamlessly integrates with Jira, Trello, and other Atlassian tools for task tracking, issue management, and agile workflows. This provides an end to end solution for project management by connecting planning, execution, and reporting. Another key feature is the permissions and access control. So it offers granular control over user roles and page permissions, ensuring that sensitive information is accessible only to the right team members. This maintains security and compliance while fostering collaboration within defined boundaries. Another key feature is the macros and plugins. So it includes macros to embed rich content such as charts, calendars, and task lists. Also supports plugins to extend functionality based on team needs. This enhances the utility of pages, making them interactive and visually engaging. Another key feature is the analytics and reporting. So it provides insights into workspace activity, helping teams track engagement, identify bottlenecks, and optimizes workflows. This drives informed decision making and continuous improvement in project management practices. So, why is Confluence a great choice? Confluence is more than just a documentation tool. It's a powerful platform for fostering collaboration, especially in distributed teams. Its integration with Jira makes it ideal for teams that operate in agile environments. Confluence excels at bridging the gap between planning and execution, ensuring that everyone is on the same page throughout the project lifecycle. Its flexibility and scalability make it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises. With its rich feature set and user friendly interface, Confluence reduces the friction of managing complex projects and keeps teams aligned with organizational goals. So, here are some tips for maximizing Confluence. First is leverage the templates for efficiency. So, you want to use pre built templates to standardize workflows across teams. Templates for project plans, meeting notes, and team retrospectives can save time and ensure consistency. Another tip is to integrate with Jira for agile projects. So you want to link Confluence pages to Jira issues to provide additional context and ensure that development teams and stakeholders are aligned on priorities and progress. So basically, Confluence is a comprehensive project management tool that simplifies collaboration and centralizes information. Its robust features, from dynamic page creation to seamless integration with Atlassian tools, empower teams to work smarter and more cohesively. So by implementing Confluence, businesses can improve transparency, enhance productivity, and foster a culture of collaboration. So, for beginners, mastering Confluence may seem overwhelming at first, but with consistent use, it becomes a cornerstone for effective project management. So, as you navigate the evolving challenges of project workflows in 2025, Confluence will remain a reliable ally in achieving your team's goals. So, if you need more information about Confluence, you can always visit their website, which is under Atlassian. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information and features that I haven't mentioned. So, feel free to explore more about Confluence. And basically, that's it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.